Imagine discovering a tropical coral reef buried beneath Arctic ice. Sounds impossible, but scientists found exactly that, and it may hold one of Earth's oldest climate records. Millions of years ago, the Arctic looked nothing like it does today. There were no endless glaciers, no frozen ocean, no polar bears. Instead, parts of the Arctic were surprisingly warm enough for coral reefs to grow. These weren't the colorful reefs you see today. They were ancient underwater cities, built slowly, one tiny coral at a time. As each coral grew, it locked away tiny chemical clues from the seawater around it, almost like nature's hard drive. Then, everything changed. Earth's climate cooled. Ice sheets expanded. The reefs were buried, hidden beneath layers of rock, sediment, and eventually, thick Arctic ice. For millions of years, they remained untouched, until scientists started drilling deep beneath the frozen surface. They weren't searching for coral. They were looking for clues about Earth's climate. Instead, they uncovered fossils from an ancient tropical world. But the real surprise came later. Inside each fossil coral, scientists found microscopic layers, much like the rings inside a tree. Each layer recorded information about the ocean when that coral was alive, the temperature, the chemistry, even changes in rainfall and ocean circulation. By measuring tiny amounts of oxygen and carbon trapped inside the coral, researchers can estimate how warm the ocean was millions of years ago. It's like reading a weather report written long before humans existed. Which raises an incredible question. Why does any of this matter today? Because Earth's climate has changed before, and those ancient reefs show us how our planet responded. Scientists compare those ancient warm periods with what's happening now, not because history repeats itself exactly, but because it leaves behind clues. The reefs reveal how oceans moved, how sea levels changed, and how ecosystems adapted or disappeared. Without those fossils, we'd be missing an entire chapter of Earth's story. But perhaps the strangest part is where they were found. Today, the Arctic is one of the coldest places on Earth. Yet buried beneath the ice are the remains of a tropical paradise. A reminder that our planet has transformed again and again over millions of years. Every expedition into the Arctic uncovers another piece of that forgotten world, another clue, another fossil, another page from Earth's oldest diary. Because sometimes, the best way to understand our future is to uncover our distant past.